Welcoming all the viewers in this educational channel and presenting few problem under accounting ratio in continuation of preceding class number 3 under accounting ratio. By now you have learned current ratio, liquid ratio, stock. I am going to present few problem on the same accounting ratio. Extra problem that you need to learn and practice as well. Let's start the first problem of this class. It is on the screen. Working capital of a company is rupees 1,20,000. Its current ratio is 3.5:1. You are required to find out the current assets, current liabilities, liquid assets, assuming inventory or stock is rupees 75,000. So this is your question. More formula you are getting. Working capital equal current assets minus current liabilities. This is another formula. When the working capital of a company is given 1,20,000, then we use this formula for given working capital equal current assets minus current liabilities. So then let current liabilities be x, then current assets will be 3.5x. This is the 3.5x. So current assets divided by current liabilities is the current ratio formula, and it means that current asset is 3.5 times more than that of current liabilities. So on that basis, current liabilities be x, then current assets will be 3.5x. This is on current ratio formula based, that is current ratio equal current assets by current liability. And when current asset is 3.5x, 3.5, then current liability is 1. It means that current asset is 3.5 times more than that of current liabilities. On this basis, this is assumed current liabilities be x, then current assets will be 3.5x. Then putting the values given in this formula, the working capital value is given 1,20,000 and current asset just we assume 3.5x minus x, that is for current liabilities. This is x current liabilities, this is 3.5x current assets. Now here 1,20,000 and 3.5x minus x, 2.5x, and x equal 1,20,000 divided by 2.5. So it is 48,000. They see, I can calculate here, 1,20,000 divided by 2.5. So 48,000. So this is 48,000. Now this 48,000 is the value of x, and x is the current liabilities. So that means current liabilities value is 48,000. So current liability is 48,000, and when current liability is 48,000, so current asset is 3.5 times of current liabilities. So that is why here current assets to be calculated 3.5 into rupees 48,000. Okay, 3.5 into 48,000, 3.5 x value is 48,000. So when you multiplied it 48,000 into 3.5, it is 1,68,000. So here 1,68,000 is current assets. So current assets we got value and current liabilities we also got the value. Now liquid assets. Assuming inventory or a stock is rupees 75,000. So then here the formula liquid assets we can calculate easily by using this formula, current assets minus inventory. So current assets value is calculated 1,68,000, this one, and inventory's value is given in the question 75,000. So 1,68,000 minus 75,000, it is 93,000. So minus 75,000, 93,000. So liquid assets value is 93,000. All right. So here viewers, see you. And now similar problems I have given to you for your practice. Now all of you practice it, write in the comment section. Here current ratio is 2.5:1. Working capital is rupees 60,000 is given. Calculate the amount of current assets and current liabilities. So using the same steps, only changing the value. Instead of 3.5x, it will be 2.5x current assets and 1 is current liability, that is x. So let current liabilities be x, then current assets will be 2.5x. Then you solve it, the values of current assets and current liabilities, you will get it. So all of you must practice it and write in the comment section your answers, the value of current assets and current liabilities. Now the next problem. A business has current ratio of 3:1 and quick ratio or liquid ratio of 1.2:1 and the working capital is rupees 1,80,000. Calculate the value of current liabilities and inventory. So now same formula using, working capital equal current assets minus current liabilities, as just now you have solved in the preceding problem using this formula. So same formula we are going to use here also again, that is working capital is given 1,80,000. So here let current liabilities be x and current assets will be 3x. And so putting the values in this formula, here 1,80,000 is working capital equal 3x minus x. So 3x is current assets and x is current liability. So 3x minus x, 2x, 1,80,000. So x value is 1,80,000 divided by 2, so it is 90,000. So 90,000, x value is 90,000 and x is current liabilities, which we have assumed here current liabilities be x. Alright. Now show current liabilities rupees 90,000 and current asset, it is obviously the 3 times of current liabilities. So 3 into 90,000, it is rupees 2,70,000. Now we have to calculate a value of current liabilities and inventories. We must have the value of liquid assets, so that when liquid asset is deducted from current asset, then the value of inventory can be calculated. So for this, liquidity ratio will help you to find out the liquid assets. So liquid ratio formula is liquid assets divided by current liabilities. So liquidity ratio is given in the question 1.2:1. That is 1.2:1 means 1.2 by 1 here. And liquid assets to be calculated. Current liabilities just now we have calculated rupees 90,000. This one. So put this 90,000 or this 90,000 value is current liabilities. Substitute the value of current liabilities as calculated rupees 90,000. Then doing the cross multiplication here 1.2 into 90,000. Now let's see what is the answer. So 1.2 into 90,000. So it is 1,08,000. So this is 1,08,000 liquid assets. So liquid assets equal rupees 1,08,000. Now liquid asset is rupees 1,08,000. Then inventory value can be calculated deducting from the current assets. So here current assets minus liquid assets equal value of inventory. So current assets 2,70,000. It is calculated here. This is current liability, current assets, and liquid assets just now we have calculated 1,08,000. Right. So putting the value 2,70,000 minus 1,08,000, it is 1,62,000. So here 2,70,000 minus 1,08,000 minus 1,08,000 equal 1,62,000. So here your 1,62,000 the value of inventory. Viewers, so all of you watch it, like, subscribe and share with friends. Thank you very much.